Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today we're going to make an alloy of sodium and potassium, and then we're going to synthesize sodium bromide and potassium bromide crystals from that alloy. Check this out.
For this reaction, of course, I'm using bromine that's stored in this ampule. I'm using potassium and sodium that I'll alloy in this small beaker that'll be filled with mineral oil. And then finally, I'll use this syringe to take molten sodium potassium and add it to my bromine. To begin, we'll start to warm up a small piece of potassium and sodium in our mineral oil. And at this point, you can start seeing that the two are beginning to melt. Okay, so at this point, we're going to take a few drops of our alloy and we're going to add it to our bromine by using this syringe. I'm going to poke it through the top and drop some drops of the alloy below. Okay, so you can see that I've drawn a little bit of the alloy in the syringe. I'm going to poke it through the top. I'm going to squirt some below. There we go. There we go. Very cool. And here's our product. Some of these crystals are sodium bromide, some of them are potassium bromide crystals that formed.
Well, I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.